2014 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, keyless entry, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, front-wheel drive, universal garage door opener. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.